Welcome to 𝐄𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐑𝐄𝐒, where we talk about investing, finance, and professional development. It's the current time of 5:40 p.m. on Eastern Time on September 17th on Saturday. Hope you guys have a good weekend so far. I just came home from my typical weekend run so far, and I grabbed a couple of things today by surprise. I'll show you guys in a bit. And with respect to the overall market today, on the media front, it's not that active. Obviously, last week has been just, very volatile, right? In a chronological perspective, we start on Monday with the anticipated pressure on the CPI report, which came out to be negative, as we know. And then with respect to the 14th, the PPI report, we were aligned. But because of the 13 was a little bit more severe in comparisons to Wall Street expectation, we were still kind of gliding on a sideways fashion, just consolidated at the, lower one-step resistance level. And then with respect to us, we approached the 15, which is the Ethereum merge, right, 2.0, which, we had that buy the rumor, sell the news type of affectation, which Ethereum was selling off by 11% at one point. And then on 16 on Friday was with respect to, the FedEx news that was obviously negative, foreshadowing a negative foreshadow with respect to the outlook for the overall global economy going forward because of the logistics and supply chain issues that we should be expecting going forward. And obviously, with respect to Saturday today, I think we collectively deserve a break. So we are just kind of gliding on a sideways fashion, not really doing much, which is something that makes sense. So before I dive into technical, I went to do some shopping today, but not for myself, but for my mom. And I went to the Nike store. Let me maybe extend my screen a little bit, in case you guys are interested. So this is the shoe. This is the Tom Sachs Nike Craft shoes. And this is limited edition. If you go on the Tom Sachs website, it's completely sold out. And my mom likes to wear these like unique Nike shoes, so I decided to get her size, which is she's 6.5 US, and I took a look at it and they look pretty nice, and you can see that they're pretty unique inside the box as well. They have like a little notes, and I got the yellow colorway, which I think is quite beautiful. I might actually get a pair myself, but obviously they're sold out. You see the detailing on this one, right? You see the suede or nubuck or whatever with this like beige colorway, and then like this waffle bottom. I don't know what. This smells good. I like new shoe smell. But like the laces are also like kind of in a beige colorway, so it's a well constructed shoe overall. This other one as well. So yeah, I feel like she might like it, and I it's kind of like a I want to buy because I think it's nice at looking, but also I think she will wear it, but also a good investment opportunity as well. Like if you look on the website right now, they retail for 110 US dollar, right? And on some of the websites like StockX, for example, they're already going for like 250, 310, $330, depending on what size you're talking about, obviously, right? But I feel like it's probably worth buying it. And then on my way home, I also got this, which is Mio, this strawberry pineapple smash. So you just kind of squeeze it and you put it in your drink, which just tastes pretty good. I kind of like it. It's like I drink a lot of water, so sometimes like having some juice, like even 0 calories, no caffeine, nothing. It just tastes pretty good. So I'm not I guess I like it in a way, but it has to like that artificial type of taste. So sorry about that. Let's go right into the technical respective recording time of 5:45 a.m. on the Eastern Time. We are at 14:57 right now, just gliding away. We are basically meeting with the resistance level of what was tested on the 8th of 28th. We were tested on the 26th of basically July. And also a bunch of times here from the 18th all the way to the end of July, right? And with respect to the technical front, you could see that on the daily we're kind of consolidating, kind of gliding away. MACD is also gliding away, right? We have formed a death cross, so which triangulate into this sell from the 1750 down by $300 to the level that we at right now. With respect to the weekly, you could see that we're still bearish. We need to cross down and cross up with double head. So technically what that means is that we should ideally see some more negative pressure ahead until we finish the daily negativity, weekly negativity, all the way to the monthly positivity going forward. So it's something we appreciate. And on the Bitcoin, we're going back to $20,000, but $20,000 not really a level, to be honest, right? We know that the level that we ideally need to get to would be somewhere at the bare minimum of 20,500, right? 20,000 is not a real level, right? You just need to know that. And with respect to not just need to know that, but the technical is what's telling us. On a daily right now, you can see that the upward wedge triangulate into the sell-off. So now we're just selling down. And then we currently right now we are leaping down. So we need to kind of form a death cross until we recuperate, right? So right now on the daily, you kind of need to recuperate until, well, what am I even saying? I think I'm losing my train of thoughts. So daily needs to kind of come down. So that means we should see some negativity or short-term volatility coming. On the weekly, we need to kind of cross down before we cross up. So we have a double head right now. So weeks and month and days out are still negative, but on a monthly perspective, we are looking to plateau right now. We are looking for a landing zone. So that's a good thing, right? Which, something we ideally should see some sort of a Santa Claus rally by sometimes in November to December. Which is something we deserve, right? And a lot of fund managers try to go to beef up their portfolio anyway, so it's not a surprise to see what they're doing right now. So appreciate you. Hopefully, this is a quick update, and appreciate you for joining me again and listening to me ramble. But have a good rest of the weekend, and I'll check you on Sunday tomorrow, or if it's already Sunday, have a good Sunday, and I'll check you on Monday for the ones on the other side of the world. All right, appreciate you. Have a good day. Take care.